Oklahoma's Attorney General is filing a lawsuit over the approval of a religious charter school. Thanks for joining us. I'm Jonathan Cooper. News on 6's Kristen Weaver is live with why Attorney General Drummond says this would be the opposite of religious liberty. Kristen?
Well, Jonathan, Drummond says the approval of taxpayer-funded religious schools sets a dangerous precedent, and this contract just should not move forward. State leaders within the same party don't agree on what religious liberty entails. Back in June, 3 members from the Oklahoma Virtual Charter School Board voted to approve a religious charter school. The St. Isidore Catholic Charter School would be a taxpayer-funded school for Oklahomans. Attorney General Drummond says the approval goes directly against the state's constitution.
One, we are prohibited as a state from funding religion. But we are required as a state to fund public education. And our charter schools by statute are defined as public schools.
This week, the state board members signed the contract and Drummond filed a lawsuit today to stop it.
I'm asking the Supreme Court to issue a writ that prohibits the contract from going forward.
He says this approval would open the door for any religion to open a virtual religious charter school, and all Oklahomans would have to foot the bill.
Now the next applicant, which may be an extreme sect of Muslim religion that teaches only Sharia law, excludes young women, teaches young men to subjugate women. Do we really want to fund that?
Governor Kevin Stitt responded by saying the lawsuit is a political stunt and the creation of the school is a win for religious and education freedom in Oklahoma, emphasizing school choice.
When the narrative is this is an act against religious liberty, know that that is a lie. Anybody who says that is perturbing religious liberty.
Now, Drummond is also concerned that moving forward with this Catholic charter school would put Oklahoma's more than $1 billion in education funding from the federal government at risk. Now, State Superintendent Ryan Walters calls this lawsuit misguided and a political move. The next step is for the lawsuit to move on to the Oklahoma Supreme Court. Live in Tulsa, Kristen Weaver, Oklahoma's Own, News on 6.